In this video, we are going to show you the 3 main upper body isolations with a partner you need to know. Let's go!
Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa. Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental. Dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta. Llorando lo comienza a llamar, pero él la de...
Okay guys, so for this one we start in the closed position. We're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8 we breathe in and make ourselves big and go up diagonally, and at the same time in 8 we put this leg here right beside her leg to block it, and from here we do the isolation by going down diagonally in 1 and down the circle in 2, 3 and tap, and now to the opposite direction in 5, 6, and we finish going up in 7, 8.
So for the follower, when he brings you up like this, it will mean that you won't keep doing your basic. He even blocks you with his leg, so you can't even go if you want to. Now he brings you down. Make sure to keep the connection with his hands when he makes this circle and not make your own circle here in the middle somewhere. The movement of the upper body is to the right. Now you close your upper body to the back. You keep moving to the left, and here in the front you open your chest a lot.
So from this point of view, counting in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic, 2, 3, tap.
Es que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa. Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa. Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental. Dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta. Llorando lo comienza a llamar, pero él la de...
Let's start with this one as well in the closed position and basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we prepare by breathing in and making ourselves big. And we also block here with our leg because she is no longer going to do a basic. And we are blocking the upper body. This way is the perfect way to do it. And now we go diagonally down with the upper body in 1. Then we return in 2. Then 3 again. And we do a tap and we don't do anything. And now we go 5, 6, 7, 8, breathing in and down into the basic.
So for the follower, it's very important when he starts this movement that you also always keep the connection to him and not start moving maybe your hips as well or in the contra position, because like this you will take his balance and you maybe fall.
And from this point of view, counting in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic, 2, 3, tap. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like, and also if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video.
Ya no tiene excusa, hoy salió con su amiga, dice que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa. Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa. Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental. Dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta. Llorando lo comienza a llamar, pero él la de buen buzón.
So for this one, we start in the closed position, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, in 7, 8, with this hand, we bring the chest of the follower towards us in 7, 8. And then we're also blocking here with our upper body. And now we release the hand by going 1. So we bring our hand to the back. And for the follower, she needs to keep the connection with the hand. So this way, when we open the hand, she comes with the upper body. We close again. and open. And then let's repeat this one in 5, 6, 7. We breathe in and basic in 1, 2, 3.
The followers movement, you start with the preparation to the front a little bit, and then you close your upper body to the back, like he already said. Keep the connection to his hand. Then you open your chest, you become very big, and then you keep going with this movement until he stops you.
So from this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and watch our other videos. They will help you to improve your dance as well. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!